Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be installing some ZL1 add-ons rock guards. Figured it's snowing outside, so today's a good day to take care of this. Been wanting to do it for a while since I got the car, just to limit the rock chips. Looked at some reviews and these seem to be probably the only company that makes these. So yeah, I guess we'll just do a quick how-to. As you can see, car looks really good. I actually just did a waterless wash with some of this Addons polish. First time using it, gotta say I'm pretty impressed. Car looks super shiny. It wasn't really dirty, and it even says that on the bottle. You know, if the car's overly dirty, it's probably not the product, but in this case, just had a little dust on it. So yeah, I guess we'll get started here. So first thing you're going to have to do, according to the instructions, is remove these 4 push pins. So yeah, you can see the holes there, 1, 2, 3, and up here you have 4. So I got mine already out, put them here. Next thing you're going to do is get your alcohol, paper towel, and just clean the area, because these guards, along with the reusing of your push pins, also have some 3M tape on them. So yeah, so next thing you're going to do is put this one in. This will be your innermost push pin. And it goes in there like that. Put that one in just to hold it. Then they want you to take about 1 inch off of here, tear it off, set that one in, do the top push pin, stick that top in, and then you'll see that it kind of has like some flex to it. So once it's in there, you'll flex in, you'll reach around, pull this bottom, and as you're pulling that tape, you're going to be pressing it on to the fender here, and that way it all stays put. So I'll get it mocked up and kind of set up here, and then kind of show you the process. So as you can see, we have our first push pin in. I got about 1 inch torn off here. So next thing I'm going to do is get this push pin. Best thing to do is get it started. Oops. I'll trade that one out. Grab a different one. So yeah, you definitely, it's kind of hard with one hand. Gotta get a tripod if I'm going to keep doing some of these videos, but so yeah, so you get that in there. What I found is sometimes you gotta put a little twist on them. Go ahead and give it the push in there. So now, before you set this, you just want to make sure that you're on your edge there. And as you can see, you got it all the way, and you got plenty of flop in it. So I got this started too, because as we're going to be pulling up, we're going to be pulling this out. So that looks like it's going to work good. So then let's start pulling this. And as you can see, you're just going to get that to stick. And as you go, you just keep pulling this tape out and pressing it, pressing it, pressing it, just all the way around. Just keep doing that till you get up to the top. There it is. And you just go through and really give it a good smash. Once you have that, you get your last 2 push pins. Like I said, sometimes you have to give them a little twist. You can feel when they go in. And then yeah, so I'll get that other push pin set back up and show you the finished product. And here you have the finished product. So we have all 3 of our push pins back in, down there, 1 up here. Got that nice and sealed up all the way around. As you can see, it just provides enough protection. This one has the 275s on it. So, I'll give you this view here. But yeah, I don't know if this side had any rock chips. But I know, you know, you get like little tar pieces, kind of like that. Just stuff like that that you just don't want. Here's already a couple of rock chips. See one there. So at least with these on, I just feel better. And then if I do ever end up getting stuck in the salt or anything, or in the rain, I'm just not throwing it all over the side of my car all the time. So got that one on. Come over here, show you the other side. Got that one on as well. So yeah, I think, you know, they came out slick. They look really good with the green. They kind of look like the car should have came with them in the first place. So anyway, we'll move on and do the rears. So here we are at the rear. The rear one is a little bit different. Just has 2 push pins, not one on top, and then more of the 3M tape. So fold out that bottom push pin and that one, and then it must just adhere the rest of the way. So anyway, we'll get it lined up. I already have these kind of backed and bent outward so I can get in there and pull them off. So like I said, kind of goes on there like that. So let me get it started and then kind of show you the process. Yep, so there's the finished project. Got it all pressed in. Again, it's got that 3M double-sided tape. I can do this view of it. So yeah, like I said, just gives that nice little bit of protection. So yeah, they came out good. I like the way it looks. So we'll do the other side real quick and I'll just show you what they all look like, all 4 corners. Alright everyone, welcome back. So here it is, all finished product. So we have the driver front. Got this bottle in here wedging it, just because I wanted to make sure that it stays. This one seems to not grab as well. So just let that stay overnight, not going to be driving it anytime soon. This rear one, kind of a side shot. So yeah, I think they look good and they're going to serve their purpose, and I think I got them, you know, for like 60 bucks. So really you can't beat it. Like I said at the beginning, that Addons waterless wash did a heck of a job. Yeah, I mean this F8 green has a heck of a sparkle to it, especially when you get it cleaned up. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll share a link in the description for ZL1 add-ons for the part numbers for these specific rock guards. But yeah, they look awesome. So anyway, thanks for watching. Going to be doing more videos in the future, so like and subscribe. Any questions, just shoot me something in the comments. Thanks.